Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this vacuum sealer roll with a cutter. This is 11 inch by 150 feet. Alright, so right here we have this vacuum sealer roll with a cutter. They offer it in several different sizes. They got a 6 inch by 100 feet, 8 inch by 150, 11 by 75 feet, and 11 by 150 feet, which is what I got right here. So I did currently buy a vacuum sealer, and it did come with a couple rolls, but this one here I just wanted a little extra for it. I got this one because it does have a slide cutter design. So once you pull your bags out, it actually will slide and cut it straightly, so no need to use scissors. So this one here is a one roll, 11 inches by 150 feet, which is equivalent to 9 times the length of other 16 feet rollers. So right here you'll just grab it, stick it right in this hole, and then you'll just put the cutter right at the top. So it makes it a lot more easier when you're ready to use your vacuum sealer and you need to cut it and get it to go. So this is a BPA-free material, which is served perfect for food storage, suitable for microwave oven, cabinets, fridges, and freezers. You can also use it to boiling and cooking and more. It has a wide range. With a single side and boasts dotted increased suction and prevents bones and piercing. High technicity material provides an airtight solution. So this is a quick guide of showing you how to stick the little cutter up on the top. It does have a sticker at the bottom, so when you slide it up you can connect it to the box, which makes it a lot easier to grab out these bags. So you can see that I removed it from the top. And then you'll just want to close this up, lock it up, and then right here at the edge, I'm just going to add the cutter. It does have a sticky part at the bottom, so you just attach it. You'll remove the sticky piece on the bottom of the cutter, add it right here, so it makes it super easy to cut it. So I'm just going to grab that right there. So you just add it right here, and it goes on the bottom. This is the sticky tape, so that bottom part will go on top of this box wherever you want to do it. I always do it at the edge because it makes it a lot easier to cut it, and it's usually precise. So this is what the cutting looks like. You can do either side and it just moves over freely this way or that way. So you want to make sure that you put the bags right up in between the cutter and then the plastic thing. So right here I have it already attached, so it's already stuck there. So we're just going to take our bag, pull it down right here, and then make sure it's under the cutter like this, and then go ahead and slide it over. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to use the bag at the moment, but you can see it did do a little cut. This is super sharp, so it'll cut the bag with no issues. I like the fact that it is 11 inches by 150 feet. This makes it a lot easier for your vacuum sealer. You have enough bag in here to store a lot of chicken. That's what I did. So if you're looking for a nice vacuum sealer roll that has got a lot of footage in it, I would highly recommend checking this one out.